Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap View Wallet, and from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and manage your passes. Also, you can add new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to Pay Setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can go to Password Manager, check all list of participating banks, manage your data in wallet, where you can manage payments data and passes data, manage wallet settings like payments profile, add passes from Gmail, and also you can enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.